क्लासमेट फ्रेंड्स तर जास्त तर मला आवडत नाही कोणाशी बोलायला, कारण की सगळे असं कोण बसत नाही जवळ लवकर, कारण की आमच्या गावात खूप जणांना माहीत पडलं ना मी होममध्ये राहते.
माझं जेव्हा हालत खूपच खराब झाली, मी रात्रीभर बसायची खिडकीवर आमच्या आणि रडत बसायची. माझ्या आईला आठवण करायची, कारण की मम्मी तू का नाही आहे माझ्यासोबत. मला खूप दुःख होत होतं. माझे एकटीशीच बोलत राहायची.
So in 1996 we came round the grounds here, and we found this place was a very old place, a workshop, a carpentry workshop, which was just a dilapidated building, and we thought this was the ideal place for our children because its surrounding is so beautiful, the air is so fresh and nice. Only the building needs to be looked after. These children have never handled color pencils before. Now they are so good in it. But just I gave them that. I found that they were creative in that doing. They express themselves a lot in color. And children are so talented that they put up so many programs outside. They said, why are you taking your child will not grow, that will die? But I said, if I can give that child one day more to live, or by save one child's life, I will go on. And since I could save that one child's life, I began taking more and more and more and more. Of course, there's still a stigma with doctors, still a stigma with nurses. When you look, say HIV, when they won't even pick up the blood to take the sample to the laboratory, nor will they give the medicine to the child. They say, you give the medicine to the child after. But things are changing to help you. But you have to face life. You have to go ahead. You have to move ahead. When we ask questions, you have to defy that and say that, well, I'm HIV, but I can do so much more than that. By no circumstance, my parents have suffered for that. I don't have to suffer for that. I can go ahead and do it. And so I tell them, reach the stars. Reach the stars. If you reach the stars, you will be able to do something in life. Find your goal, reach your goal.